Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from PINCHme. It's been a really long time since I've gotten something from them, so I'm super excited. So what PINCHme is, it's free to join. You create a profile, and then once a month on Sample Tuesday, they release samples and you could claim them and you review them, and it's free and it's super fun. So I used to get these, but it's been a long time since I've logged in, but they did send me a box to show you different samples you can get. And if you want to create a profile, I will put a link below so that you can join. The next batch of samples are going to be released January 12th. So make sure you have a profile and are logged in for that time. So this is filled with tons of goodies. Just going to jump right in. The first product is by Blistex. This is a moisture revitalizer. I love chapstick, lip gloss, anything like that. So I will definitely use that. Used to be one of my favorite brands, though I haven't had anything from them in a while. This one also does have an SPF 15 as well. Here's another lip one by Blistex. It's a serum, 1 drop daily conditions. Oh, it has like a little pump on it. I've never seen that. Cool. Something smells really good in here, and it's probably this. English Lavender Soap. Pure lavender extracts and essential oils. Yeah, that smells good. I love the smell of lavender. So we have bar soap. We also have some packets here. BioSteel. I think there's 3. This is a sports hydration mix. So one looks like it's blue raspberry, a mixed berry, and a peach mango. Cool. Got samples of those. Also have Palmer's coconut oil body lotion. I used to use this stuff all the time. It smells really good. So there's a sample of that. This is a blister care, medium size. We can use these. Jackson keeps like not pulling his socks up all the way, or sometimes will wear his shoes without socks and gets blisters. So this is really neat. It says instant pain release, faster healing, stays in place for a long time. Cool. Love that. Next up, this is also from Yardley, which is the soap that we have. This is a body wash, 2 different body washes. So we have oatmeal and almond and English lavender. Excited for that. I didn't know that they made liquid form like that. I'm only familiar with the bar soap. Next up, Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Extra Strength Daily Peel. So this looks like it's a face peel to minimize pores, uneven tones and textures, and help smooth fine lines. Cool. A couple of them in there. It's like maybe just wipe them over your face. Next up, we have 8 greens made from real greens, 1 effervescent tablet. Oh, cool. Neat packaging too. Got that. Some more Band-Aids. These are waterproof, max hold, germ and dirt proof. Like I said, we've been using a lot of Band-Aids lately, so that's definitely useful. Also have an Essie nail polish. That's cool. Essie's pretty expensive. In this color, it's a quick dry color. Crop Top and Roll is the name of that one. It's real pretty. And this looks fun. We have like a spatula. It says something about heartburn relief, so let's open that. Take a look. Is that an apron maybe? That's cool. Love this. Silicone spatula. All the cooking I do, definitely come in handy. Also have Heartburn Relief. Melt Away tablets. Plant-based. No known drug interactions. Cool. for acid indigestion and an upset stomach. And then there's a little information pamphlet on the back for that. Is this an apron? That is a cute little idea there. Oh, it's like a little smock. Ones that just go around your waist. That's super cute. Good idea. Next, we have Clorox Disinfectant Wet Mopping Cloths. So there's one of them in there, and it's scented Pacific Breeze and Coconut, and they're bleach free. Very cool. Still smell other things that smell good here. Maybe that. Flex Seal. There's 3 sample bags in here. A quart, 2 quarts, a zipper bag, freezer bag, and a sandwich bag. And it says it stretches. Not familiar with that, but I'm interested. Oh, okay. Yeah, they're flexible down here. I see. That makes sense. I didn't know they made fancy things like that, but that's a good idea. 3 different samples of those. Ooh, this is gonna sound silly, but I just bought trash bags, and I normally get scented ones, but I saw they had these. There's Beachside Breeze. They also had one that was like coconut lime, and it smelled so good, but I couldn't bring myself to pay more. I just got like the regular ones I normally do, but I was very much contemplating paying the extra money to get the nicely smelling ones. So I'm glad I have a sample now. There's 1 trash bag in here. Beachside Breeze. And the last one in here is by Clorox. It's an Ultra Clean Disinfecting Wipe, and the scent is Lemon Twist, and this is also bleach free. Probably gonna keep that in my purse in case, some places we go like don't disinfect their carts, and that's gross to me, but our Target's like really good about that. They have someone standing there cleaning them, so might keep that in the car in case I need it in a different store. But this is super fun. These are all things I'll definitely use, and I love this. So if you guys are interested, make sure you click the link in the description box, create a profile, and get ready for Sample Tuesday. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.